Let's do the simple mediation as well.
Okay.
The one that we did was simple moderation. That was model number 1. So let's look at a mediation case. So maybe going by our data, we still want to estimate mediation relationship. So we have supplier integration, passing through customer integration, to predict firm performance, to predict profitability. I'm talking about this. Supplier integration, passing through customer integration to predict what? Profitability. SPSS. And so that becomes what we call simple mediation. And the model number for simple mediation is model number 4. So let's go and then do the selection. So we go to analyze. We go to analyze, then you go to your regression, then you select process by ACE. Analyze regression. We have to reset because we have already used it for moderation. So click on reset. So right click to display your variable names. So our dependent variable is what? FB6. So we select and put it at where the Y is. Okay. Then our X variable is the supplier integration. So SI, we put it at X. Then it will access what is our mediator or our mediator. Okay. So we are going to use customer integration as well, mediator. So we select it and put it at the mediator section. That's all.
The mediator section. Okay. Top there. M.
Yeah. But make sure that, look at something. Your model number is correctly selected. And I said the simple mediation is model number what? 4. So come and select model number 4.
That one too, I can get that. Manual and that.
Yeah, when you get the manual, the manual will specify all the path for you. So the one that corresponds with what you are doing, you select the number. And then you follow the procedure to estimate it. So you go to here, you do some few selection, go to options. You can select show total effect. And they are being specified it there for only modules 4, 6, 80, 81, and 82. Okay. The module 4 tool has allow X by M interaction. That one you can select that one.
Total model effect. Then
the last one.
Identify cases with missing values.
No. It says that allow X by M interaction model. Yeah, look at it. This one I'm talking about. After the identified cases, yours is not there. Maybe my own is advanced because this is 4.2. Yours is what?
4.3, 4.1.
Okay. Then you can now come and also look at the decimal places and convert it to 2. Let's make it 2. That's all. Then you click on continue. Okay. Then I think you just go to OK. Then it will be running for you. It is still running. Did it run it?
Yeah.
Did you get an output?
Yes.
My own I didn't, so let me rerun. So go to analyze, go to regression, and you go to this thing. There's something wrong. There's something wrong, so you couldn't give us the output. It didn't give you output? I don't know why my own is not giving. So why is that my own is not coming?
Run again.
I've done that.
Maybe one select the other one and let it. The one that I do not have.
Which one?
You know the allow X something.
Okay. So let me go there and then pick it up. This one.
Yes. What's the problem?
Let's see.
Still running.
Well, that was the first one, brother. Okay. So I've made a choice I shouldn't have gone here. Maybe there are conditions that will push you to select that one.
Possibly.
So we are going to evaluate the results. You just copy and then paste it. Now, what is the model number?
Model 4.
Model 4. Okay.
SPSS.
What is the Y variable?
Y is P6.
Which is profitability.
Yeah.
Predictor.
It's S7.
No, it is going to give us some. Observe this one. You see, we have outcome variable, right?
Yeah.
Let me illustrate this one for you to see that it is structural model. Let me illustrate it for you to see that it is. So the outcome variable is the CI. So which is the independent variable predicting the mediator. And we have seen that the R squared accounts for 12% change, which is significant. Then the beta contribution is positive, 0.14, but it is also what? Significant. So we are done with the first one. We are going to another outcome variable. Have you seen the second portion? Another outcome variable is what?
The FP6.
And the FP6 is the dependent variable, right?
That what we actually predicted.
Very good. So we illustrate it here.
These are figures here.
Yeah. So the mediation is represented by the indirect effect. And now you can go and see the mediation, its effects. Okay. So customer integration, this is the line diagram to look at for. The effect is, the mediation effect is what?
Positive. 0.03.
But is it significant? Come and look at this one. The upper limit, bootstrap lower limit confidence interval, and then bootstrap upper limit confidence interval.
Negative, positive, yeah, not.
So is it significant?
No.
So it has no significant what? Mediate.
Dependency between
The
supply utilization and then profitability.
Yeah, when we did the analysis on the what do you call it? On the board, we saw that from here to here it is significant. From here to here it is not significant. Which tells you that it's likely not to mediate. So that's why it's not.
You said it before we came here.
No, I didn't check.
No, I'm saying that.
Yeah, I said it before.
Yeah,
Because I've seen that if from here is significant and from here is not significant, if you multiply their products,
it will be negative.
it will be negative. So it will not be give us a significant effect.
So, can I just come here and straight down?
But first of all, we can come there and talk about it. But you have to also report the direct and the indirect, because we have different forms of mediation.
Okay.
We have direct, we have the full mediation and then the partial mediation. If now, listen to this statement carefully. If the direct effect is significant, but the inclusion of the mediator now makes it not significant, it is a full mediation.
I want to write this one. Full mediation.
So that is it. For partial mediation, the contribution of the predator, to the change in the dependent variable is significant. And when you include the mediator in the equation, and that contribution is still significant, then we have partial mediation. But if the direct effects or the contribution, this one, is significant,
contribution of the dependent variable.
When I was teaching you the multiple regression, what name did I give to that particular table?
The table.
Coefficients. Yeah. The coefficient is the contribution. How much?
How each of them contribute. One will look at that table. Yeah. Okay.
So if it is full mediation, it means that the direct effect or the direct contribution is significant. But when you include the mediator, it becomes what? Insignificant. And we can conclude that that is a full mediation. So this is how we evaluate the mediation effect. Now if you look at the indirect effect, for instance, so it is positive. But if you look at between the lower limit confidence interval and then the upper limit confidence interval, this one is negative 0.04, right? 0.04. When you are moving to the upper one, is 0.14. Will you meet 0?
No, you meet 0.
If you meet 0, it means it's not what? It's not significant. So we can say that customer integration will not mediate the relationship between supplier integration and profitability. That is what the data says.